again. My friend's Gmail account got hacked. Now I'm scared my account might also get hacked.
Don't worry, Sam. If you add one simple thing, your account will be much more secure. Let me show you step by step. First, open your mobile. Go to Google and search Google Account Settings. Open the first result. Now you will see the sign-in screen. Enter your email and password to log in. It may ask for your home address. You can add it or skip it. Then it may ask you to add a profile picture. You can skip it for now. Now, click on the profile icon at the top right. Go to Manage Your Google Account. Now you will see different options. Go to the Security and Sign-In section. Scroll down a little. You will see the Recovery Email option. Click on it. Now enter the email you want to use as recovery email. Google will send a code to that email. Enter the code here and verify it. That's it. Your recovery email has been added. Now, if you ever forget your password or face any issue with your account, you can recover it using this email. See, Sam? It was that easy. Now your account is much more secure.